So you're wondering what's new with Letters Alive 8.0? Well, let's dive in and take a closer look at the new features. If you're upgrading from a previous Zookeeper edition, you're going to notice the menu looks fairly similar, except for the addition of this little image down here. This allows you to download your lesson plan booklets and put them on a USB drive to use them at home for easy lesson planning. It's a brand new feature that we've added that we know you're going to love.
Another cool thing we've added is a single, shorter serial number. This makes a new installation or transfer to a new computer even easier. Now, if you're upgrading to Letters Alive Zookeeper 8.0 from Letters Alive Plus, you'll be getting those things I just mentioned, plus you'll be getting our Zookeeper lesson plans.
So you're going to get PDF versions that are downloadable of the Zookeeper Teacher Field Guide, Zookeeper ABC Bootcamp lesson plans and literacy centers, as well as our new Animal a Week Zookeeper lesson plans and literacy centers.
You'll also be getting full-size printed posters of our alphabet chart and our Zoo map for more fun learning opportunities.
Your upgrade to Zookeeper Edition will get you thousands of new buildable sentences with our pre-K and kindergarten sight word cards, as well as hundreds of new buildable words. Now that you've seen all that Letters Alive Zookeeper 8.0 has to offer, let's get your kit upgraded today.